Welcome back. In the previous video, we have drawn this drawing and we have constrained this drawing to be a fully constrained drawing. So in this video, what we'll do is try to give some more dimensions to this and see what happens. So what I'll do, I'll select this constraint tool and just see I have not given dimension to this side. If you can see, so what I'll do is click on this and just drag it, and you can see the dimension is 40. But the thing is, this drawing has turned purple. So what is the reason this drawing has turned purple? So you can see this side it is 80 and this side it is 40. So if you subtract 40 from 80, the remaining side will be 40. So this is an extra dimension we have provided. This means that the drawing we have over constrained, so this has turned purple. So while drawing or while giving dimensions, we have to keep in mind that the drawing must always remain in green, that is properly constrained and not over constrained or under constraint. So this is just a small thing and we must keep in mind. And if you want to delete any dimension, just click on that dimension and click on delete. Okay, so this is fine. Now what I'll do is I'll just draw a circle and we'll just, this is just to show you the mouse shortcuts. Okay, and I'll give it as 20 mm diameter. And okay, so now we have this button here, exit workbench. So this we were in this sketcher workbench. Now we have to exit this to go to the 3D space. So we have this button, exit workbench. If I click on this, so we'll be here and we have this profile. So now what I want to do is I want to make this drawing a 3D object. So what I'll do is I don't find that tool, so I'll go here in view toolbars and I'll find sketch based features. So I have this sketch based features and I'll use this first tool, that is pad. If I click on pad, this pad definition, we are going to study this in detail. So just for demonstrating the mouse shortcuts, I'm trying to wrap it up fast. So I'll just give this as 30 mm and click on preview and click OK. So you can see we have formed this drawing, and now we look at the mouse shortcuts. So first mouse shortcut is how can we move the drawing. So you have the scroll button on your mouse, right? Click on that, keep it pressed and just move your mouse so the drawing will move. This is similar to this in the toolbar. Okay, if you want to move, you have this tool here. Also you can move directly through your mouse, that is click the scroll button down and just move. Okay, so now we'll see how we can rotate this drawing. To rotate your drawing, you have to click the scroll button down, keep it pressed, and with that press the mouse right button and just move your mouse. Okay, so once again I'll show you. Press the scroll button down, press the right mouse key and just move your mouse. So this will move your drawing. Next thing what we'll look at is how can we zoom in and zoom out. So to zoom in, just press the scroll button down, press the right button once and move your mouse up or down. So if you move your mouse up, the drawing will be zoomed in. If you move your mouse down, it will be zoomed out. So this is how you can move your drawing, zoom in or zoom out your drawing, or rotate your drawing. And thanks for watching, and let me know your comments. We'll meet in the next video. So in the next video, we are going to start with this drawing. You can see on your screen, we'll go into the tools used and the step-by-step process to draw this drawing from the next video. Thanks for watching.